Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking how to distort shapes and objects with the Distort tool. Otherwise, just have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload them daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now the Distort tool is very similar to the 3D rotate in some ways, but you have way more control over the perspective and the visual nodes. So the 3D rotate will be under effects 3D rotate, but we will not be using that one. So if we go on our left toolbar panel here, we will see this little one with the 4 nodes and the connected by the lines. That will be your Distort tool. So if we click that, we'll notice there's no options for it on top there, but when we have it selected, it's a bit hard to see here, but we have these little control points. If you hover over them, they go blue, so they're gray, and otherwise they go blue. And what happens is you can individually control these points to kind of set the perspective and the skewing of it, or rather the distortion of it. So if you want to make it look like this top is closer to the to you than the bottom, then you can just select these points and readjust them. But keep in mind, like you saw there, you click off the shape and re-click it, you will have new points. So I would recommend, if you do work with it, try rather zooming in a bit, so you can make sure you have keep those points consistent. Otherwise, while working on a design, it might get a bit confusing. And then yeah, you can set these individual, bring them down or in, and then yeah, you can create a nice effect. Once again, you click it again and it resets it for you. But yeah, that's the basics on distorting. Like I said, it is a handy tool if you want to create a form of, or like an illusion of depth or perspective. But yeah, otherwise, if we head to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, like I said, we've got a variety of different software to cover, and also you can isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific. If you don't find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.